Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com, slowly crawling my way to 200,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, help me get there. I'm almost there. We just broached 65,000 followers on Insta, so good stuff there. Today's video, if you're an avid follower of the store, then you'll know that these two Seikos I'm going to show you, we actually put out a couple weeks ago. I didn't have a lot of them. I didn't want to make a fanfare out of it, so I kind of kept it quiet. And they sold out, of course. I have a decent stock now. Of course, by the time this video comes out and the video is seen for maybe an hour or two or three, maybe they'll all sell out. Maybe they won't. Who knows? But I'm doing a video on them. These are the new SSK GMTs, SSK023, SSK025. It's those pilot kind of field-inspired watches. I'm not going to show you what's on my own wrist. Let's get to it. And here we go. Beautiful looking watch, isn't it? Easy to read. It's got great style. Love the bezel. This is the Seiko SSK023 GMT Field watch. A little pilotness in there, but I'm going to go mostly with Field. It's got the inner 24-hour scale. It's even got an outer 24-hour scale, non-rotating. This is powered by the Seiko 4R34, which is a Caller GMT, meaning that we will adjust the GMT hand, this red hand, it's red, orange. Actually, it's orange. It is orange hand in 1 hour increments, and I'll show you that in a minute. So let's go. It's 39.4 millimeters in diameter. Very close to looking like an SRP-E case. I'm not sure if it's fully the same. You know, this bezel actually looks like it. I'm not going to pull it apart, but yeah, it looks like it's a two-piece case, so it might actually be the same case. 39.4 millimeters in diameter, 13 and a half thick to a flat hardlex crystal, 47, just about 48 millimeters on the lug tip to lug tip. Exhibition screw down case backs. You can see the 4R34 movement in action. It is a 20 millimeter bracelet. Really nice looking bracelet. It's a 5 link, 5 row bracelet. It is sized with pins, of course. There you go. And it is a four position micro adjust flip lock Seiko clasp. We have solid end links, which is really a nice addition, which is similar to the last Seiko review I did. Had solid end links, which was pretty cool. Female end links on these, as you can see, and you can hear the plastic. Sorry about that. 100 meters of water resistance, and we are looking at 79. No, that's the other one. 147 grams on the bracelet. So as I said, it's powered by their 4R34. So you're going to hand wind it, and it'll run for about 40 hours if you don't pick it up again. But if you just wear it daily, that little rotor going back and forth in the back, that will keep it wound for your 40 hours of power reserve. Hand winds, hacks, means when I pull the crown out, the seconds hand stops. Pull out 2 clicks and I can change the time. The date just rolled. So danger zone, do not set the GMT hand or the date between the hours of like 9 p.m. and 3 a.m. as shown by the watch. Get the watch out of the danger zone first. I always like to say go to like 6 o'clock, you know you're safe no matter what, a.m., p.m., doesn't matter, and then do your adjustments. I don't always say that, but I'm going to say that now. Pull the crown out 1 click, one direction will change the GMT hand in 1 hour increments, okay? Other direction will change the date in 1 day increments. White on black date done in that negative, so nice. Let's see, so yeah, so you can only adjust the GMT hand in 1 hour increments. So as you can see, so right now the watch is pointing to 10 o'clock, the GMT hand is pointing to 1800. So if I wanted to set it to a different time zone, I just change the date. Nope, I change the GMT hand to that other time zone, and then as I adjust the time, that GMT hand will move in accordance. You do have to give the watch a little chance for the backlash and the gearing to wake up, to be taken up for the alignment to get to be as good as where it's going to be. But let's see, that's about it. $435 for this guy. They made a second one, SSK025, a little more stealthy field GMT. It's the same exact watch, same size, same spec, same everything, except we're looking at a IP case, black IP, bezel as well. Stainless steel case back, and then it's on a one-piece leather 20 millimeter leather strap. I said leather twice. I'm not sure why. This one's $415. You can see the Seiko tag here, upside down. Doink and doink. Really sweet looking. Now, when I got them in the first time, these sold out lickety split, and then this was a not so bad second. I do agree that this is really nice looking. This is more stealthy. Let's see the Lume and let's put them on. So they're both using Seiko's Lume Bright green tinge, so they look good. I think there is I think I have something. There we go. I had something covering. There we go. I have something covering it. They glow great. Nothing unexpected except the out of focus that might be making you nauseous. Let's put them on the wrist. And here it is on my 6.5, 6.75 inch wrist. Plenty of room on the bracelet, below the bone, above the bone. What an awesome fit, and that's where we're gonna finish it up. And this has been Mark from LongIslandWatch.com, showing you the new Seiko 5 Field GMT. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Questions, comments, concerns, anything else, put it down below. I'll be sure to get to it as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.